chairperson and vice chairperson. Election by secret ballot केली. 2 नॉमिनेशन आली chairperson आणि vice chairperson 2 नॉमिनेशन आली. इलेक्शन सिक्रेट बॅलेट इलेक्शन जातले 9-5 वोटिंगान chairperson जिंकला. वायस चेअरमन सेम वोटिंग मार्जिन सेम आसा 9
चेअरपर्सन कोण येयल्ले
नाईक लक्ष्मण chairperson आणि दुसरा आमचा अँटनी वाज वायस चेअरपर्सन.
Pollution we want completely. I am not for industrial pollution at all. I am not for corruption at all. I am not for corruption of cleanliness. But I am for the people, for the service of the people, to give effective goods to the people when they come and apply to the for those particular documents. Our leaders, Yuri Alimov, Dupi Alimov, are also of the same opinion. Yuri Alimov is very keen to make development in this village. He has already assured us that Freedom Fighters Memorial at Kanjabad of Kungoli, which is the first project undertaken by him. If government doesn't give the money, finance, then he himself will finance. That was his assured to us. And actually we have to depend upon the government. It cannot happen without dependence of the government. Government is the main that functions and that delivers the goods on the basis of that money. We, every municipality, not only my municipality, all the municipalities undertake the work. Now I have to go into the back days. How many projects are undertaken by this council on the grants received from the government? How many are pending? How much guarantee is pending? How much income expenditure is remaining? What is the balance of the passbook of the bank accounts, and so many other things. I think my councillors will support my all the causes. Now to get function very immediately, I have called a meeting on 6th April. That is called special meeting for nominating for appointing standing committee and other committees. That will also happen so that 8th onwards we will start to function. I am requesting the certain document from the people and that will also operate and give it. But I will not allow corruption in time management. Corruption in time management. Short, my timing is reporting in 9:30. I will not allow anybody to come at 10 o'clock or 9:45. He has to come at 9 or she has to come at 9:30 means 9:30. We have to give the examples to our voters. What we do, they should take good examples. And not delay coming is not a good example.
हाडलें आनी त्या दिसा 22 तारखे आमी सांगलेलें की बाब लक्ष्मण नायक प्रोफेसर आमचो चेअरमॅन जातलो आनी बाब एंटनी आमगेलो वायस चेअरमॅन जातलो. आज एक खुशालकायेचो दीस आनी आजच्यान म्हाका दिसता आमगेलें जे आमी एक मॅनिफेस्टो केल्लो एंड एज पर द मॅनिफेस्टो जाता ते भाशेन आमी जे गव्हर्नन्स एट डोर स्टेप हो एक मोठो प्रॉब्लम आहलो. करप्शन फ्री जे ट्रान्सपेरन्सी आसपाक जाय आनी जायते ह्या कुंकोळच्या गांवांत कामां करपाची आहाय आनी जाता ते भाशेन आमी लोकां बरोबर गेल्ले आनी लोकांन आमकां जायते एक बरो फीडबॅक दिलोलो आहा की कामां करपाक आज म्हाका खात्री आहा की जे एक बरो प्रोफेसर लक्ष्मण नायक एक क्लीन इमेज आहलोलो जेका काम करपाक आनी एक्सपिरियन्स आहा आनी बरो तो एक बरो एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर आनी दूख म्हाका जाता सांगपाक जेन्ना ही मेजॉरिटी आमगेले कावन्सिलर जाले 9 जाले पूण हे बीजेपीच्या सरकारान जाय तो प्रयत्न केलो आमगेले कावन्सिलरांक जाता ते भाशेन जॉब दिवन पयशाची ऑफर दिवन जायते फोन येले आनी तांकां ही जे डेमोक्रेसीची मर्डर करपाक हे मुखार सरलेले. पूण आमी सगळे एकवटान आज हे काँग्रेस पक्षाचें हे पॅनल म्हाका दिसता गोंयांत येयलोलें आहा आनी आमकां खात्री आहा की हेजे मुखार जे बाब जोखीम आलेमागे जे स्वप्न आशिल्लें एक कुंकोलीम शायनींग म्हणून जो कन्सेप्ट आहलो ते कन्सेप्ट करपाक जाता ते भाशेन लोकांक एक बरी सर्वीस दिवपाक आनी करप्शन फ्री कित्याक गेले ते पुसा हे कोदेलाची मेरी गो रावंड जायत जालें आनी हे जायत जान लोकांक त्रास जाले तर आमी जे मॅनिफेस्टोचेर आमी जे प्रॉमिस केलां ते मॅनिफेस्टोचेर आमी ते प्रयत्न करतले लोकांक की गव्हर्नन्स दिवपाक, कित्याक म्युन्सिपालिटी इज अ सेल्फ गव्हर्निंग बॉडी.